This is painting. I'm going to paint the sky, a green field, some flowers on the green field. And for this activity, we will need some paint, water, a brush, small pieces of sponges, and cotton swabs to make the prints of small flowers. I also have a small piece of cloth to keep things clean and a small plate where I will put the dirty sponges later on. Let's start with painting the sky. I will dip the sponge in the blue paint to make the sky and the clouds like that. Okay, I finished. I'll put it here in the plate. Now I'm going to make the green grass. Dip this sponge in the green paint. Okay, my grass is ready. I put the sponge here and take the brush. Put it on the water first to make it wet. Now I'm going to dip it in the red paint and I'm going to make big flowers first, like that. Okay, now I'm going to make small flowers with the cotton swabs. I also dip them here. Okay. All right, now I'm going to take paintbrush, dip it in the yellow to make the middle of my flowers like that. It's better to wait when they are dry. Okay. This is my green field, my flowers, and the sky. I have finished. Now I will clean up. You can continue and use other colors. This is painting